Hi, my name is Chris Antes, a personal chef with the Chef for You to Have, and I'm here in beautiful El Cajon, San Diego, California at a shared commercial kitchen. And today I'd like to show you how to make a mixture of some ground beef with a sloppy Joe delicious sauce with potatoes and cheese. So what I do is ahead of time I cook the ground beef off to just make sure it's cooked all the way through and all finished off. So I'm going to add this to a bowl here. I've also got some diced potato from one that I had baked to get ready for the dish here. And then for the sloppy Joe sauce, you know, whatever is your favorite out there is something that you can use. But what I like to do is when I'm making my own, I get a little bit of a tomato sauce. I add equal parts of some mustard and ketchup, as well as a little shot of barbecue sauce, and people will love it. Makes the perfect sloppy Joe. So then I just toss the sauce and the ground beef and potato together. I put that into a little casserole pan. And then I top it off with some cheese. And what I have here is a mix of some feta and some shredded provolone. Okay, now stick that in the oven at 350 for about 15 or 20 minutes to let the cheese melt and all the other ingredients warm all the way through and ready to eat.